Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel Gadget Shop. Today we will be sharing and discussing the top rated sellers on Aliexpress. Stay tuned with us until the end so you don't miss out on any of the information. Also subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. Online shopping has reached its top in 2021 after the Covid-19 pandemic. It has pushed individuals for online shopping to keep themselves and their families from the pandemic. The majority of us who are utilizing the internet consistently should do online shopping. There are a large number of online shopping websites that are accessible worldwide, and nearly everything is made available for purchase online. Today, a large portion of us know about the name Amazon.com, eBay.com, and Aliexpress.com, in light of the fact that these are the top 3 online shopping websites on the planet with a huge number of bestsellers and products. Today, the proprietors of these websites have turned into the top billionaires of the world. Number 10. Magnetic data cables with Type-C, micro USB, and for iPhone. Magnetic charging cables with wonderful LED lights are at the top in Aliexpress best-selling mobile accessories. It comes in all pins like iPhone, micro USB, and Type-C. The 360-degree rotable device makes it tough. It has a solid magnet and delightful LED light. It gives quick charging highlights anyway, it isn't reasonable for data transmission, and can be worked with a solitary hand. These magnetic cables are reasonable to use with all iPhones, Samsung, Huawei, Zomi, and any remaining smartphones that have micro USB and Type-C USB ports. Number 9. Garas Magnetic Mini Power Bank. This small-scale magnetic power bank is one of the Aliexpress bestseller products in the power bank classification. It is a tiny thing, however it has a limit of 1000 mAh battery. The best thing about this smaller than expected power bank is that it'll liberate you from the pack of cables for iPhone, Type-C, and micro USB. It has magnetic pins. It has an inherent power well-being assurance that shields your telephone or gadgets from overcharging, short circuits, and numerous other important issues. You can associate the power bank and mess around, watch movies, take photos. This won't be going to interfere with you. It has a power button and an LED light marker. Accessible in high contrast colors, viable with iPhone, Samsung, Huawei, Zomi, and others. Number 8. Ausdom ANC8 Active Noise Cancelling Wireless Headphones. In the earphones class, Ausdom ANC8 is one of the Aliexpress top-selling products with a 4.8 star rating and in excess of 5,000 sales. It is a Bluetooth wireless headset with super hi-fi profound bass and active noise dropping. Following are a portion of the unmistakable elements. Active noise cancelling innovation empowers you to listen to what you need to listen to. Best DSR Bluetooth chip makes it low power consumption and great quality sound. Inherently great microphone makes it hands-free. The lithium-ion battery will give you a running season of as long as 20 hours. Ear cups are rotatable and up to a 90-degree. Conservative carrying case, and some more. Number 7. Anker Bluetooth Spirit X Sports Earphones. Anker is one of the well-known brands, and its products are being utilized from one side of the planet to the other. Spirit X Sports Earphones is a bestseller hands-free with a 4.9 star rating and more than 1,000 orders on Aliexpress. Points of the elements are: Spirit X Sweatwatch is totally sweat-proof, 12 hours of playtime, quickly customizable case coating, comfortably behind your bed. With the control button you can play and stop your tracks and answer calls. The conveying case will be with bundling and simple to take with protection. Number 6. iMice Wireless Wi-Fi Repeater and Extender. iMice Wireless Wi-Fi Repeater and Extender is the bestseller versatile Wi-Fi router and extender on Aliexpress with a 4.8 star rating and around 12,000 sales. It will extend your Wi-Fi signals to the no man's lands of your home or office and any place you need. It gives signals up to 10 meters in range from its location with a speed of 300 megabits per second. With WPS's speedy setup, it will start conveying the solid messages within 5 seconds. It is extremely simple to set up and is accessible in various fittings as indicated by the neighborhood standards. Number 5. eAce Car DVR Dashcam for front, rear, and inside recording. Dashcam has become exceptionally well known these days because with this camera, you catch some dubious and amazing movements, as well as it helps you in security form from thugs and thieves. On the off chance that somebody harms your car and furthermore attempts to compress you, attempting to take your car or taking something from the car, or attempting to swindle you, this stunning gadget will help you. eAce Car DVR3 dash camera is the bestseller dash camera accessible on Aliexpress with a 4.8 stars rating and a large number of sales. A double-face camera will record front and within your car and an optional rear view camera. full HD recording with a 170-degree wide-angle camera. The motion detector will start recording naturally when distinguishes movement around your car. G-sensor innovation will be the trigger in crisis cases and it will record and lock the video. Number 4 is Zomimi Fitness Band 4. Among the many fitness bands on Aliexpress, Zomimi Band 4 is at a 4.9 stars rating, over 100,000 reviews, or more than 250,000 sales. By various sellers, what magnificent sales! The quantity of sales is revealing to itself that this is the best fitness band on the lookout. The 135 mAh battery will last 20 days and could be re-energized in approximately 2 hours. It is 5 ATM water safe up to 50 meters. It will count your steps, distance, and calories burned, monitor activities, cycling, swimming, and sleep, and even give idle alerts. With 5.0 Bluetooth, it is viable with Android 4.4 and iOS 9 or more versions. You can likewise utilize the elements of stopwatch, alarm clock, timer, Find My Gadget phone unlocking, and a lot more provisions. Number 3. Zomi Suitcase Electric Shaver with 3D Floating Head. Zomi Suitcase Electric Shaver is the second most selling electric shaver on AliExpress with a 4.8 star rating and more than 4,000 sales. The 3D keen floating head will make it adaptable for different face contours. Zomi Suitcase has an implicit 600 mAh battery. It is high velocity with 2 gears. It is effectively launderable, has a USB charging port for quick charging, and has an LED display. Number 2. Ekin Smart IP Video Intercom. Ekin Smart IP Video Intercom is a multi-reason gadget. It is a Wi-Fi video door camera, phone doorbell, Wi-Fi doorbell camera, IR alarm, and wireless security camera. Ekin Smart IP Intercom is perhaps the best seller identified with home security on AliExpress. It is furnished with a 720-pixel camera, real-time recording, motion detector, intercom, night vision camera, and so forth. It accompanies various options and you can pick one as per your requisites. Number 1. Anti-RFID NFC Wallet. As time passes, we see new inventions and advances in each field of life. The banking area is additionally utilizing the furthest down the line innovation to work with its customers. One of the most recent innovations is NFC RFID, which empowers you to simply close your card near the machine and your money will be deducted. Scammers and thieves additionally figure out how to rob you without telling you, so make some restorative moves in such a manner. Against RFID NFC, wallets are broadly used to get your credit debit cards from being burglared. It is perhaps the best-seller product on AliExpress with more than 20,000 sales and a 4.8 star rating. How to find best-selling products on AliExpress? We ought to notwithstanding call attention to that for everything to fall into place, you should pick an item category or subcategory to begin. In light of this present, we should start by accepting that you are hoping to source home decor merchandise. You can discover this page by heading to aliexpress.com, floating over the home, garden, appliances options listed under categories, and choosing home decor. Presently, one of the primary things you'll see is that there are more than 2.1 million products listed in this category alone. Fortunately, you can sort these results by orders to effectively recognize those popular. Overall, if an item as of now has been bought a huge number of times, it's quite a sure thing that it is a well-known item. You shouldn't stop here, however. Truth be told, to recommend you should go beyond and filter the results to display just the products with a 4-star rating in addition. Yet what precisely does this advise us? Overall, close to these products being best-selling on AliExpress, it likewise gives us the certainty that different buyers, regardless of whether that be simply the shopper or other online sellers, were happy with their purchase. So that was all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Gadget Shop. Also, let us know your thoughts about the video in the comments section.